For more than 4,000 years, the pomegranate has been cultivated across dry lands stretching from the Middle East to South Asia. Once prized by ancient civilizations for its symbolism and medicinal value, today the pomegranate has entered a new era as a high-value industrial fruit. Global pomegranate production now exceeds 3 million tons per year, with India, Iran, Turkey, and the United States among the leading producers. What drives this growth is not just fresh consumption, but the explosive demand for pomegranate juice, marketed worldwide as a functional, antioxidant-rich beverage. But how does a fruit with hundreds of delicate seeds survive harvesting, transport, and industrial extraction without losing its value? And why are farmers in some of the world's driest regions betting their future on pomegranate juice? Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we take you inside the modern journey of pomegranates, from drought-tolerant orchards to high-tech juice processing plants, to understand how this ancient fruit is transformed into one of the fastest-growing juice products on the global market. Pomegranates are not just another orchard fruit. They are the result of thousands of years of adaptation to some of the harshest agricultural environments on Earth. Unlike apples or citrus, pomegranate trees evolved to survive long dry seasons, intense sunlight, and nutrient-poor soils. This natural resilience is what makes them so valuable in a world facing increasing water scarcity and climate instability. Commercial pomegranate production is concentrated in semi-arid regions where rainfall is limited and summer temperatures regularly exceed 35 degrees Celsius. Countries such as India, Iran, Turkey, and parts of the western United States have become major producers not by chance, but by matching the crop to the environment. Once established, pomegranate orchards require significantly less water than many fruit trees, often using 30 to 40% less irrigation compared to citrus or stone fruit orchards. Modern farms amplify this natural efficiency through precision agriculture. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing evaporation and runoff. Soil moisture sensors continuously measure water availability, while evapotranspiration models help farmers decide exactly when and how much to irrigate. Instead of flooding fields, water is applied with surgical precision, just enough to maintain fruit size and juice content. Large-scale pomegranate production begins long before the first fruit appears. Commercial orchards do not rely on seeds, which produce unpredictable results. Instead, farmers use clonal propagation, planting cuttings or nursery-grown saplings selected for uniformity, disease resistance, and high juice yield. This ensures that every tree in the orchard behaves in a predictable way, a critical requirement for industrial processing. Trees are planted in carefully designed layouts that balance density with airflow. High-density planting allows farms to maximize output per hectare, while proper spacing ensures sunlight reaches the canopy and reduces fungal pressure. As trees grow, systematic pruning shapes the structure of each plant, improving fruit exposure and making harvesting more efficient. Nutrient management is tightly controlled. Through fertigation systems, fertilizers are delivered directly through irrigation lines, allowing precise control over nitrogen, potassium, and micronutrient levels. Regular soil and leaf tissue analysis guide adjustments throughout the season, preventing over-fertilization while maintaining consistent fruit quality. By the third year, orchards enter full commercial production. A mature pomegranate tree can yield 20 to 30 kilograms of fruit per season, and on industrial farms, thousands of trees operate as a single coordinated system. Every decision, from planting density to nutrient timing, is optimized not just for yield, but for juice quality, color intensity, and processing efficiency downstream. As spring transitions into early summer, pomegranate orchards enter one of the most critical phases of the entire production cycle. Trees burst into vivid orange-red blossoms, signaling the beginning of fruit formation. Unlike many orchard crops, pomegranates produce an abundance of flowers, but only a portion will successfully develop into mature fruit. Natural selection plays a role here, allowing the tree to concentrate its energy on fewer, higher quality pomegranates. Pollination occurs through a combination of insects and wind, but successful fruit set depends heavily on environmental stability. Extreme heat spikes, sudden temperature drops, or water stress during this window can reduce yields significantly. For this reason, modern farms closely monitor weather patterns and soil conditions, adjusting irrigation and nutrient delivery to support consistent fruit development during these sensitive weeks. As the fruit grows, internal chemistry becomes the main focus. Sugar levels, acidity, and juice color develop slowly over several months. Unlike many fruits, pomegranates do not continue to ripen once harvested, which means timing is everything. Growers conduct regular field sampling, measuring sugar concentration and monitoring rind color and firmness. Harvesting too early sacrifices flavor. Harvesting too late increases the risk of fruit cracking and juice loss. Precision at this stage determines the quality of every bottle produced later in the factory. When harvest season arrives, orchards shift into a carefully choreographed operation. Despite advances in automation, pomegranates are still harvested primarily by hand due to their thick rind and sensitivity to impact. Workers move methodically through the rows, using clippers to cut each fruit cleanly from the branch, avoiding damage that could compromise juice quality. Each pomegranate is surprisingly heavy, often weighing between 300 and 500 grams, and improper handling can cause internal bruising that is invisible from the outside. For juice producers, this damage matters. Oxidation and bitterness can occur long before the fruit reaches the processing plant. As a result, speed is balanced with control. Harvest teams are trained not just to work fast, but to work consistently. Once picked, fruit is placed into field bins and transported quickly to nearby processing facilities. On large farms, this transition from orchard to factory can take just a few hours. The goal is to preserve freshness, antioxidant content, and juice yield. At this moment, the pomegranate's role as a living organism ends, and its transformation into an industrial product begins. When pomegranates arrive at the processing facility, the environment changes instantly. Orchards give way to stainless steel, conveyor belts, and controlled temperatures. Time is now the most critical factor. The longer fruit waits, the more juice quality declines. For this reason, modern juice plants are designed to move pomegranates from intake to extraction with almost no delay. The process begins with washing and sorting. High-pressure water jets remove dust and field residue, while optical sorting systems scan each fruit for size, color, and external defects. Pomegranates that do not meet processing standards are removed early, ensuring consistency in flavor and yield. What remains moves into one of the most delicate stages of the operation: aril separation. Specialized extraction machines crack the fruit open and gently separate the ruby-red arils from the bitter white membrane. This step must be precise. Even small amounts of membrane can introduce unwanted tannins, altering taste and color. The arils are then crushed and pressed, releasing deep crimson juice rich in polyphenol and antioxidants. Filtration systems remove solids while preserving the juice's natural body and intensity. Before bottling, the juice undergoes short-time pasteurization to ensure food safety without destroying sensitive compounds. Some facilities concentrate the juice for export, while others bottle it immediately for fresh consumption. By the time the juice leaves the plant, it is passed through a tightly controlled system designed to protect flavor, nutrition, and shelf life. What began as a drought-tolerant fruit in a harsh orchard has now become a refined, globally traded beverage, engineered for scale. From dry, sun-scorched orchards to high-speed juice extraction lines, the journey of the pomegranate is a story of adaptation and precision. A fruit once cultivated by ancient civilizations has been re-engineered for the modern world, shaped by climate resilience, controlled farming systems, and industrial processing designed to preserve every drop of value. What ends in a glass of deep red juice carries far more than flavor. It reflects the work of farmers managing water in fragile environments, engineers designing extraction systems that protect antioxidants, and global logistics networks moving a sensitive product across continents. This is modern agriculture, not defined by tradition alone, but by data, technology, and the ability to scale nature without losing its essence. Thank you for watching AgriTech Smart. If you enjoy cinematic stories about how food is grown, harvested, and transformed for the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Your support helps us continue exploring the future of farming. And now we'd love to hear from you. Which crop or agricultural system should we explore next on AgriTech Smart? Share your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected to the future of agriculture.